Offshore oil platforms are crucial to energy production, but these complex structures require special training. The Texas A&M Engineering Extension Service now offers a specialized platform firefighting course, a combination of classroom lectures and hands-on training. Students will be trained on different live fire situations, including laundry, galley, and accommodation fires, interior machinery and electrical fires, as well as exterior process unit fires.
It pulls together the best of both worlds for an offshore platform when it comes to industrial type emergency response or process unit firefighting, as well as bringing a higher level of interior firefighting.
The operators that are working offshore are working in a very unique atmosphere. There's nobody out there that can immediately respond to them. Most of your responders are going to be hours to even days away. So where they're working and living, they have to be able to combat any kind of emergency response on board, up to and including firefighting capabilities.
For more information, go to teaks.org/marine.